Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 55. A 1 metre tree is planted. It grows at a rate of 2 metres each year. Construct a table to show the growth for the first 5 years and find a formula to calculate the height after any given year. So if you'd like to attempt to solve this problem, you may pause the video now and you can attempt to solve it. I'm going to move on to the next slide now to discuss the solution. So here's your chance to pause the video. So when the tree is planted, originally it's 1 metre high. After 1 year it grows 2 metres, so now it's 3 metres high. After the next year, another 2 metres, that makes it 5 metres high. So we keep adding an extra 2 metres, because that's how much it grows in a year. So after 3 years, it's 7 metres high. After 4 years, it's 9 metres high. After 5 years, it's 11 metres high. And we want to find out how high it is after n years. That is, n can be any number, and is there a formula or some rule we can use? So if we look after 1 year, remember the height is 3. Now the way to obtain 3 by using the year, 2 times 1 plus 1. That's the year there. After 2 years, it's 5 metres high. 2 times 2 plus 1. So these numbers here, that one and that one, they represent the years. After 3 years, 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7. After 4 years, 2 times 4 plus 1. And after 5 years, 2 times 5 plus 1. So in other words, we can see, if we keep applying this rule, after n years we have 2 times n plus 1. Now how straightforward was that? But it did require a little bit of thinking. So for example, if n was 20, you would be asking, how high is the tree after 20 years if it kept growing at the same rate? 2 times 20 is 40, plus 1 is 41 metres. So there is the general rule for working out the height after any number of years. I hope you enjoyed that problem, and I wonder how you went.